How to go live on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to BB. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can go live on Facebook. Now this also includes going live with a high quality, so let's dive right in. First step is you'll need to open up your Facebook. So locate your Facebook app and then open it up. After you open up your Facebook, you will then need to go live. Now to go live, what you'll first need to do is make sure that you're logged in into your account and also that your app is up to date to its latest update. After you've done that, what you'll then need to do is, again, make sure that you're logged in. Then here you will see what's on your mind at the top. You can click on it. And after you do that, on the bottom here, you'll find live video option. Tap on live video and allow access if you haven't. Give it access for recording as well. And finally, when you're here, you can then start going live. So simply press on go live and then you will begin your live. And that's basically it. That's how easy it is to go live on Facebook. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.